Hey CraftDee family, and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. It's shopping Sunday and we are headed to the Dollar Tree, and I spotted lots of new goodies that I am so excited to share. So let's dive in. Now I'm starting off in lawn and garden because I noticed some new pots. These are solid metal engraved pots. Look at the beautiful black color finish with the white flowers. This is engraved into the pot, which makes it gorgeous. Another pot that they had was this one that gives it that aged galvanized look, and this has the engraved bands around the pot. Really cute for crafts. And then the last one that I saw that was brand new is this shiny galvanized metal one. All these little white flower stems are all engraved into the bottom of it. I have never seen these pots before at the Dollar Tree. Brand new arrival and so cute. Another item that I spotted was this one. This is one that's returning, but it is a favorite. And plus, these are a nice good weight too. I can appreciate that. And these are solid metal, a great item for floral crafting. Also, what just popped back up at my Dollar Tree is this lattice style of fence. I'm so glad to see this back in stock because when it first came out, it sold out quickly. Now over in home decor, I found some new glass bottles. If you notice, they have a little gold rim around the top of them. So I first saw this one, which is really nice, and these are $125. Also, I saw another vase. This vase is really cute, and this one also has that gold rim around the top. A brand new arrival at my store. I've never seen these before, and these are great for displaying your different florals, whether you want to go faux or natural. These are also another item that are really fun. They're a returning item. These bamboo type of boxes are so really nice. When they first came out last year, they did go very quickly. I'm glad to see those back, and you can see you can get a square one or a rectangular one. They all clip in place with a little band and a little wood button. So really nice. Over in the craft section, I found wood beads. They have these on a strand. Now these were bagged up, but I did find them hanging as well. You can get these in round beads and square beads. And looking at these, they're about 18 to 20 inches long. So there's plenty of beads there to work with if you're using these for crafts. Look what's back, you guys, these leaves. So these are the MDF leaves. They just popped up at 2 of my Dollar Tree stores in the area. That kind of lets me know that they may be heading back that direction. I'm glad to see these back as well because I saw them the first time and I passed on them. But now that I have an idea with them, I'm so glad I have a second chance to grab some. So look for them in your craft and home decor sections. And speaking of wood items, I found some Disney themed wood cutout items in the craft section that I've never seen before. So these wood cutouts have like a Disney theme. You can get the princesses, you could get Mickey Mouse. They even had some Disney like Marvel type of designs, and all these are you could just paint them and decorate them. They are solid wood for $125. As you can see, school supplies are coming out. They're still stocking my store, but one thing I had to spotlight in this video were these. These are the Crayola Quick Dry Paint Sticks. I've never seen these before. Brand new arrival. You get 3 colors. This one has the red, yellow, and orange, or you can get a pack with the blue, green, and purple. These are $1.25 a piece. Now, when I did check online, I found a full set with all the colors at Target for $5.99, but you could get the 2 separate packs at Dollar Tree for $2.50 for both. So Dollar Tree for the win. Now, over in the tool section, we always see the mini tools, but I always grab this one because of the tape measure. I always need a small tape measure to keep in my handbag when I go places because I'm always measuring things before I buy them. Now over in the cleaners, I found this Cozy Place room spray. This is a room fragrance spray. And when I did find it, it was the only one there, and they only had it in citrus blossom and bamboo. Now they do sell this at Dollar General, but it's $3. So get it at Dollar Tree for $1.25 right now. Over in the baby section, I found some more name brand items, Little Tikes silicone bibs. I've never seen these before. They do have these in a blue and they have them in a pink. These are silicone, which means that they're easy to wash and clean up and catch all those messes before they make it to the baby's lap, or in most cases, most of the messes. So you can get them in both colors with this soft silicone finish. Another Little Tikes item that I found in the baby section was this baby shampoo and wash in a pump bottle. Another item that I have never seen before there at the Dollar Tree. Over in health and beauty, I found these lotions. These are neat. So I did see this in Cabana and Kiwi. They also had another one in tropical coconut, and they have one in passion fruit escape. And of course, I always get asked, why are you turning things sideways? This is to help some of my visually impaired viewers see items clearly. When you get the full item in the photo, you can stop the video, pause it, zoom in, and see all the details. And they have found this to be very helpful. So I'm glad to help. Now they also have the coordinating foot pieces as well. These are the foot masks. So you could put these together in a little basket. They're all coordinating, or you can mix and match. So they did have those to match those lotions. So if you're looking for matching scents, check that out too. Look what LA Colors has come out with. They have come out with a dual lip liner. I have never seen this before at my store. So what these dual lip liners are, it has a line end and a filling end. So it's all in one. You can blend the two colors together and have your lips perfectly lined. Now, as you can see, they do have a couple of different combinations you can choose from the bright pinks and reds, or more of a natural tone if you want to go for that. So check that out in your health and beauty section. They also have more beauty blenders. I think this year I have seen more beauty blender sets at Dollar Tree than any year so far, but these have a slightly different shape, so definitely check those out. Now, have you seen these? These are the facial stones, and these actually have a good weight to them. They come in a 2-pack. I've never seen this particular one at the Dollar Tree before, but since it's weighed so much, I think it's a really good quality. Here's some more facial care kits. This is a hydrogel eye and lip mask by Be Pure. Be Pure is really stepping it up with a lot of their products this year, so definitely check those out for $1.25. Now, I featured a bunch of these body washes last week, but this one right here, hands down, is my favorite. It smells amazing. I love this one with the key lime scent. It smells so amazing. Now, what you can do is grab one of these soap pump foamer dispensers, mix it in with this to make it a hand wash. You do 1 part soap to 4 parts water, and you have your own foaming soap dispenser. Amazing hack. Now, over in the vitamins, I found the Sundown Women's Multi-Gummy. This is the one with biotin and collagen. Great for hair, skin, and nails in a 150 pack. I knew this was a plus item, but it wasn't. $1.25, and it's still in date. Another Sundown item that I found online at Walmart, $16.38 for this item. Same item, you can get it for $1.25 at Walmart. Now, you can also get the Sundown Melatonin, which is a sleep assistant aid. This is another item. It is in date, and it's also just $1.25 at Dollar Tree. I did look this one up as well. This one was selling for around $9 online, so make sure you just grab these at $1.25. It's the best deal there. Have you guys seen these 2 packs of toothpaste at Dollar Tree by the Brush Buddies? I was very shocked to see a 2-pack for $1.25. So definitely pick this up if you're always running out of toothpaste or want to keep extras on hand. Now, I did see this Optimax brand as well, and I noticed that these come in like a candy flavor or a fruit flavor. I'm more of a minty girl, but if you have littles that just love the fruity flavor things but still want to get them to brush their teeth, you might want to check these out in cotton candy and watermelon. Now, in the food section, I have to mention the Campbell's Chunky Soup full-size cans. This is the chunky chicken noodle. It just has a Super Bowl theme on it, but it's the same exact thing fresh and in date. When I did check online, it is selling for $2.48. So get it for $1.25 at Dollar Tree. It's the same exact thing. Another new thing that I found was this Vita Coco pressed coconut water. I've never seen this before. This is a 16.9 ounce bottle. So this was another one I had to look up and just check out. It's selling for about $1.99 online. So Dollar Tree is still coming through with the best price on a lot of these items. This huge can of pork and beans, this is a summer cookout side dish favorite. This is a 19.75 ounce container. This is a huge container of the pork and beans, and it's being sold for $1.48 at Walmart. So head to the Dollar Tree to get it on the cheap. Now, I've been hearing a lot about these little Dutch cookies. Have you guys seen them? So they have these sandwich cream cookies. They have them in a churro flavor. Here is one in a cream sickle flavor. That one sounds good. And then the last one that I saw is a strawberry flavor. These are all cream cookies. I've heard so many great things about them. Let me know if you've tried these in the comments. And just a heads up, the 2-liter Pepsis that are $2.25 at Dollar Tree are scanning in at $1.25. I'm using the Dollar Tree app to scan this, and it does say they are $1.25. So pick those up if you are interested. I also spotted this Minute Maid 100% orange juice in Dollar Tree. I thought this was also another plus item, but no, this one is ringing up for $1.25 as well. Now, I did see it online being sold by Walgreens for $2.19, so definitely get it at the Dollar Tree. Now, I love seeing these popcorn containers, you guys. They ran out for a while at my Dollar Tree, and I don't know if it had to do with manufacturing, but I love crafting with these. I've split them in half and made this 4-pocket planter for the wall. I've also painted them and put labels and ribbon on them, and you could even make them into a galvanized metal look. Now, all of these DIYs that I'm showing you today, I'm going to link down in the description box below so you can follow the full tutorial and recreate these yourself super easy. Now check this wall of gift bags out. I was so surprised because this is the fullest I've seen it at my store in a while. But one thing I did notice is they're a lot thicker and there's a bigger variety. So I don't know if they've changed manufacturers or suppliers, but you guys, these were thicker than I was ever used to seeing. And I guess it's because some of the gifts are heavier and the bags are now holding up. Now, not only can you use these as gift bags, you can use these in crafting because there's so many different ways and so many different styles to offer. I mean, look at some of these. They're absolutely gorgeous. So I would definitely not rule out the possibility of crafting with gift bags. So now I'm going to head over to the plus section. There's just a few things I wanted to share, and I am revisiting the Tumbling Tower block game that is the jumbo size because I thought I would never see these again, but they did pop up at a different store. So I grabbed the regular box just to put it side by side to show you guys. Look how huge these are. Oh my goodness. And for $3, it's amazing. You can get these again from like Five Below, but get them for $3 at Dollar Tree. Also, they have some Be Pure products that are dupes. This is the Tresemme One Stop Volume Spray dupe. This one is only $3. Another dupe that they had Be Pure did was compared to the Can2 Hydrating Cream Conditioner. This is the Be Pure version of it. So definitely check that out. This is also another $3 item. I love their hibiscus line. So that is one of my favorites. Now, if you've been following me on Facebook or Instagram, or even saw my video last week, you saw me post this post about prices going up at Dollar Tree. And this week I did see them starting to put up the signs. So the cleaning supplies you see, they're all going to be going to $1.50 at a $1.50 price point. Also, your food containers, they put signs up now. These are all going to be $1.50 as well. Now, if you're going through the store, I did swing by another section, which is the glassware, the mugs, the plates. You could see they've got the $1.50 signs up. Now, these are not in effect yet, but it's scheduled to go into effect the end of this month. So get them while you can. Now, if you missed my shopping video last week featuring even more fun finds at the Dollar Tree, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today, and if you want to see the items I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you can check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now, before I go, I just wanted to say thank you for sticking around to the end. Now, if you have not had any luck finding the Oasis vanity storage items at Dollar Tree, I have a set for a giveaway. Now, I will be giving away a set of 4 items to one lucky winner. Now, it's really easy to enter this giveaway. First, just leave a comment below answering this question. Now, what were your top 3 favorite items from this video? Now, this contest closes on Tuesday, June 24th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so be sure to comment before this time. Now, most importantly, make sure you are subscribed and have your notifications turned on so you won't miss the notification if your comment is selected as the winner. Now, be sure to check back on Wednesday, June 25th to see if you are selected by checking my top pinned comment in the comment section, and I will also respond directly to your comment if you are the winner. Now, to confirm you understand this, leave a pineapple emoji or the word pineapple in the comment along with your answer to today's question to be entered into the drawing. Now, it's important to know that this contest is not sponsored by YouTube, and we are solely responsible for conducting this contest and delivering the prize to the winner. So please be sure to read the full list of rules in the description box below to make sure you meet all of the requirements for a valid entry. I wish each and every one of you good luck in the contest. Now listen, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree as much as I do, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment and letting me know what your most awesome finds at Dollar Tree were this week. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It's absolutely free. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.